From starting blogs to selling cookies on Instagram to drawing art for NFTs, 2020 and 2021 showed people there are no limits to how you can make money. One of the less popular but profitable businesses has been flipping furniture. Furniture Flip, a hashtag with 4 billion views on TikTok, shows regular people restoring everyday items and then selling them for thousands of dollars profit. But what if we told you you could make the same amount of money or more without restoring items, and the best part is you can get the furniture for free? Yeah! That's right, free. In this video, we will look at how an ex-corporate employee quit his job to sell furniture, how you can get a piece of the furniture flipping pie, and the exact steps you need to take to start making the moolah today. If you're interested in learning how money is made in the oddest ways, give us a sub, a like, and if you're really odd, a comment. Now let's get to the resellable riches. Asher McCauley had a well-paying job as a product manager until he realized he could make more money selling and reselling furniture on the Facebook marketplace. But get this, Asher doesn't restore the furniture. He finds good deals online and around his town and then lists the items immediately on Facebook. As Asher explains in the Trends Facebook group, while I can refurb or rework furniture, I tend to avoid it as it's time consuming and I work on a quick turnover. He gets the items and resells the things as is on Facebook Marketplace. No extra work goes into it. Sounds easy enough, right? It's as easy as liking this video. Okay, maybe not that easy. You still have to search online and drive around, hoping to find a deal worth flipping. We are here to let you know that there is an easier way. And better yet, a free way to get used furniture delivered to you so you don't have to spend a dime on gas. Hold your horses, let us explain. Cameron Harold, who was once the COO of 1-800-GOT-JUNK, replied to Asher, saying this: "Idea. Contact the local 1-800-GOT-JUNK franchise partners. Tell them you'll accept all furniture that's in good condition if they want to drop it off at your location. Give them 10% of gross." Or contact all independent junk companies also. Our guys in the trucks call places like this magic dumps because it cuts down on the dump costs. And what a fantastic idea indeed. It works like this. Contact different 1-800-GOT-JUNK franchise partners. Tell them you're looking for any furniture in good condition. If they drop off items, give them a cut of the proceeds. You don't have to find items to sell, and the junk company doesn't have to pay to discard their rubbish. It's a win-win. Once you have the items, you can sell the items for as little or as much as you want. Because you got the items for free, the goal is to get rid of things as quickly as possible. Statista reports there are 1 billion people who use Facebook Marketplace every month, so there should be no problem finding buyers for your items. But now the question becomes, how do I locate my local 1-800-GOT-JUNK franchise? We got you covered. Head to the website of 1-800-GOT-JUNK or any local junk removal service. Then look at their locations. Once you find the locations of your local franchise, head to LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, search 1-800-GOT-JUNK or 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Then change the location to your location. From there, you should see the owner's profile. Then use a service like Scrap or Rocket Reach. Email the owner of your local franchise and tell them your idea. Get straight to the point as most owners are busy. And if this method doesn't work, you can always pick up the phone and call the location looking for the owner. Either way, contact the owner directly so you can negotiate a deal. You want their drivers to drop used but good condition items off at your location of choice. As soon as the items are dropped off, take pictures with your phone and post them on Facebook. Soon, people will be flocking to your doorstep and the cash will be plentiful. This works because, as the saying goes, one man's trash is another man's treasure. People like vintage finds or quirky items that still have some value, and the chances of people buying items looking to restore and flip it themselves are high. Why send junk to the landfill and create more waste in the world when you can sell it for profit instead? If you found this odd, maybe share it with someone, subscribe, and if you want an even odder way to make money, click on this video or stay common forever. Peace out.